Oh no. Alarm pad have some fault. Why that one's flashing? Let me check other sensor. We got another one here. Let me hide myself. Yeah, it's off. Yep, it's on. This one is normal. We should have another one upstairs. Ah, yeah, on the top left corner. Currently it's off. Yep, detected right. So this one also good order. How can we fix this issue? Let me. Yep, number one sensor, support 40. I think that's the one there. Let me hide myself. Yes, supposed to be off. So how can we fix it? I contacted my friend, and luckily we got a spare one. Let me show you how to change this one to the 40 one. So before we switch off the power supply, it's maybe a good idea to open the cap. Normally it's supposed to be the bottom. Yeah. So we just open here. Okay. You can see the wire. Looks like this sensor have something wrong inside. The cable run behind the panel and up. So basically, I think we can switch power off and the battery, because there's a battery in the control box. So we can get a new sensor installed. Right, so over here we have everything on. That's the alarm. See, alarm here, still on, off. You should be able to find this alarm box. Normally in master room or in the garage. Something dropped. Because we switch off the alarm board power supply, we shouldn't have any power. Yeah, definitely no power. Because the alarm system also supply backup from the battery, it's good chance to remove the power supply here. Let me see. Okay. Yep, should be good to go. So we can change the sensor. Okay, next we have to take off this 40 sensor. There's the screw on the top. Before you take it down, it's beneficial to take a photo. Try to memorize the connection point, the color code. We want to make sure that's exactly the same. So there's a new one here, just out of box. We have to open here, open the bottom. Right. Okay. So we have a relay, temper, and a 12-volt ground. Okay. Little spring on the top. Just double check. Slightly different design, but the connection should be the same. Yeah, that's the voltage, temper, relay. So black, red. Okay. Okay, I see. Right. Okay, I put the cover on, power on, everything should be working fine. Yeah, looks better. Yep. Let me retry with the alarm code. Yeah, the problem solved. Yep, that's very good. That's the older one, so better write the 40 be on the back, and we can throw away actually. Yeah, quite happy with the purchase, and fix the issue in 30 minutes. Yep, only cost less than $50. Happy, happy, happy. Yep, looks fine. If I standing here, yep, detect me. Yep, all good. Yep. Hopefully you find this video helpful. I'll see you next time.